Hello. Okay, so today, last I shared with you how to make a foot scrub. So today I want to share with you how to just make a nice foot rub. Or yeah, you can use it as a body rub as well. I'm making this as gifts. So what I've got in here is melted coconut oil. So what I've done, as you can see, I've just taken hot water, put my coconut oil in there. So I'm going to do a cup. You can do half a cup as well. So I'm going to do a cup. Coconut oil. Then I'm going to put in, so if you're doing half a cup, you use 15 drops. I'm going to put 30 Valor. Okay, so I've done 30 drops. Then I'm going to do, if you're doing half a cup, you do 10 drops of PanAway. So just imagine if you had a hard day, your feet are sore, and you want to just relax and treat your feet. So sometimes when your bottle is dripping slowly, you can just turn the bottle and it's going to let the drops come out. Okay, they have little holes in. If you look nicely at the inside, it's got a little hole. If the hole's on top, it will drip quickly. And then if you're doing half a cup, you're going to do 10 drops of frankincense. Frankincense is just going to do all the good things. It's going to be so excellent for your body. Remember, your body's biggest pores are under your feet, and yeah, this is just going to be awesome for your whole body. So I'm going to stir all of that up. Then I'm going to put them in little containers and put them in the fridge, and then it'll solidify, and that'll be an awesome foot rub. So enjoy. Bye.